Well, today I wanna take this chance to talk to you about a household appliance that I bought and feel satisfied with, which is a microwave oven. If my memory serves me right, about 4 years ago, on the on my mom's birthday, I decided to buy something that can share her burden with cooking, and I used my savings to buy it. Um, Actually speaking, microwave oven is very advantageous due to its convenience compared to traditional cooker. Microwave oven might bring a lot of benefits, as well as changes in our cooking habits. Microwave oven might boil porridge, steam rice, and defrost meat. Mm, What's more, it might heat the leftover food in dishes directly, and people needn't suffer from the smell of smoke, unbearable heat, and oil in the kitchen. If we cook with microwave oven, there's um, especially especially mm, microwave oven might offer healthier dishes, and I think nutrition in vegetable or meat can be maintained to the greatest extent. More importantly, it might cut out considerable. It might help me save a lot of time on cooking, and compared to traditional methods. Mm, you know, my parent on the top, my mom on the top of the world on that day, and my parents are very satisfied with my gift.